High above the world, on the rugged summit of Wangedigala, I find a quiet moment of solace. In my hand, a simple slice of bread drizzled with golden honey, a humble feast against nature's grand tapestry. Here, where the earth meets the sky, the air is crisp and every breath tastes of freedom. As I savor the sweetness, my eyes wander over the vast landscape. In the distance, Bambarakanda Falls cascades like liquid silver, a reminder of nature's ceaseless wonder. The mountains cradle me in their ancient embrace. Every crunch of bread, every drop of honey becomes a celebration. A moment to connect with the raw, unfiltered beauty of this place. The rhythmic rush of the waterfall, the soft murmur of the wind, and the taste of nature's bounty blend into a perfect harmony. In this elevated haven, time slows. I am here, at the crossroads of earth and sky, where a simple meal transforms into a meditation on life's simple pleasures. With each bite, I feel the pulse of the mountains and the eternal whisper of nature. Will you join me, even if just in spirit, to savor the taste of adventure and let your heart be carried away by the song of the wild? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.